Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can change a Wi-Fi name on Xfinity. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get into it. So for that, open up your browser, type in Xfinity and access to the official website. Now you can do it over here. Once you've accessed the official website, go ahead, tap on this little profile icon and tap on sign in and get signed in. Once you have signed in, you're going to select the Wi-Fi tab right over there. Once you have selected the Wi-Fi tab on this overview screen, you're going to be going to the section of Wi-Fi details afterwards. Then on the pop-up, select Edit Wi-Fi settings at the bottom. There will be a pop-up appearing. Select this Wi-Fi settings at the bottom listed. Then on screen, you will have this option of you can view or change your Wi-Fi name or Wi-Fi password option. Go ahead, tap on the change Wi-Fi name option, and then go ahead, edit the new name or enter the new name that you prefer. Now afterward, tap on save changes and tap on the save changes option, and the changes that you have made within the name will be saved and you are good to go. Now you can do that as many times as you want, and that is how you will be able to do so. So I hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.